We're out here today at Rolling Oaks Mall to see MonsterCon 2023. It's a lot closer to Halloween, so there's gonna be a whole lot more going on. They have the whole bottom floor and the top floor just filled with vendors, and there's also people walking around with costumes, so let's go inside and see what we can see. And the first thing you see is the Minnie Mouse. Everybody's dressed up. Oh, it's so cool. Get her, she's so spooky. That's too cute. Look at that. All kinds of like spooky items and things you can get out here. You can see Texas Chainsaw Massacre, Halloween, everything that you can think of that has to do with monsters, creepy things. And they got a bunch of like custom Homers over here, as you can see, two of my favorites right there. But just about everything that you can think of. Oh look, got the Joker Homer. Some more haunted stuff here. Look, you got Frankenstein right there. All kinds of interchangeable heads. We got Wolfman right there. They all come with interchangeable heads too. This one's the Mummy. You can see you're gonna be getting all kinds of vendors and stuff over here too. You got the creepy Saw doll right there just hanging out. Everybody dressed up. All kinds of things. So you got like a Loki right there. Personal favorite. You got some like custom bags right here. You got a Chucky one that says "Let's Die a Little." This one's supposed to look like Starbucks. Halloween Queen. Many others that you can see here. You like scary movies? Definitely do. Ooh. Oh, there's a Beetlejuice one. That's amazing. Oh, that's awesome. Some sort of dinosaur experience going on over here. Look, you can actually see dinosaurs are like moving inside there. Look at that. They're like interacting with each other. So incredible. Oh, dinosaur butt. Don't look. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. That's almost like universal quality right there. Really close to it.
It's so cool. Oh, thank you.
So many things as far as like pictures and stuff go. Look at this. You get all kinds of like framed artwork. Got an R2-D2 right here. That's so neat. There's like so much detail and stuff going on here. Oh yeah, there he goes. Oh, that's so cool. I love that. This guy right here, he's got like a Mandalorian costume. Or not, he's not Mando. I don't think he's Mando specifically. I think more Boba Fett than anything from what I'm getting. I think they got something going on upstairs, some sort of animatronic setups up there. Gonna be heading up there as soon as we're done here on the bottom level. Well, they got some Star Wars stuff there also. Really love that. Of course, some goodies. So many like Halloween toys and things here. Look, you got Chucky and his bride. You got this, the Crow. Not even familiar with that, but that's incredible. And these two creepy dolls right here. That guy's got a beard. Stop it. Nightmare Before Christmas figurines here. As you can see, these are from the 25th anniversary. I believe that was 5 years ago. Those are incredible. Looks like you got like a Maleficent costume right there. And then right next to that is a man in a chicken costume, which I absolutely love. I want to get me one of those. And look at this horrifying pig man. That is so awesome. Look at those eyes. More memorabilia over here. We have the seated Chucky right there. That is the most incredible Chucky doll that I've ever seen. That one's like so true to the film. You got some Mickey ears for all you Disney fans out there. Custom. Gotta love that. I really love this Garbage Pail Kids one right here. These are so cool. These are amazing. Oh, the Killer Clowns from Outer Space. Really love how they made Pee-wee's Playhouse look super creepy right here. That's amazing. Get that as a t-shirt. Getting ready to do the children's costume contest. They got all the kids lined up over there, ready to go. There's Spookulators right there. Subscribe to his channel. Got it right there on his back. Oh, that's awesome. I love that. The cotton candy too. Gonna get like some sort of front row seat over here. These the judges? Like, what's going on here? Got a decorative dragon right here, flow of dragon. Actually moving his wings.
All right, everybody, welcome to day 2 of MonsterCon, our kids costume contest. I'd like to welcome our 3 special guest judges, Boogin, Calliope, and the Voodoo's. Give them a hand. Let's go. Next, first up, we've got Eric as Patrick Bateman. Nice. He's got his Huey Lewis CD and everything. Next up we have Everly as Wednesday Addams. Next up we've got Tristan as Sam. Where's your lollipop? Oh well. And next up we have Halloran, also as Wednesday Addams. Escorted by Dad. All right, next up we've got Illy as Draco Malfoy. Make sure to go out to the middle. Take like 3 giant steps forward and then cast a spell. There we go. Next up we've got Marcelino as Sam. With Lollipop. Next up we've got Maricela as Reagan. I forget the last name. Next up we have Ryan as a double-headed clown. Next up we've got Dylan as Pikachu. Use Thunderbolt. Next up we've got Blaze as Slimer. Next up we've got Mayana as Chick-fil-A. Next up we have Cam as Skelly Bones. Next up we've got Brayden as Ghostface. Next up we've got Addison as a clumsy elf. Next up we have Ray as Sam. Next up we have Lalia as Wednesday Addams. Next up we have Michelangelo as Dinosaur Rider. Next up we have Maiden as Sam. Next up we have Anna as Pink Megan. And next up we've got John as Godzilla. Next up we've got Luke as Spider-Man. Okay, he was bitten by a radioactive bunny. Your Kids Costume Contest winners from MonsterCon 2023, Patrick Bateman. Love it. And next is the little skeleton, scary skeleton, Ghostface. Sorry. Next is gonna be Reagan. Yeah, come on here, Reagan. the Sam standing next to Reagan. For our honorable mention, give me just a moment. Our honorable mention and a free custom piece of artwork by Ken Salinas of the Voodoods. Gojira! Oh, careful. All right, let's have a big round of applause for our winners.
The Predator walking over there. Oh, that's so cool. Got a guy on stilts here. That's awesome. That's sick. Just came upstairs and there's so much more up here, which is incredible. So many things to see. We got some masks right here. Look at that. What does that do? It lights up. They got all these like wall fixtures right here. They're all like black light-esque. Definitely really cool. Got her playing a game for some candy right here. Whoa, you got it! That's awesome. It's a signed Killer Clowns from Outer Space popcorn gun right there. See if you can make heads or tails of those names on the box. That is way too cool. Yeah, it's like unlimited amount of like t-shirt designs here. Personal favorites. You got the Planet Express and the Blockbuster t-shirts. Absolutely incredible. So many options though. It's endless. As you can see, you just pause the video and like really take a quick look there. You got like quite the assortment of Chuckies here. So if you're in the market, they're right here. That's incredible. That one's way more like screen used right there. They got all kinds of like old toys, vintage merchandise, card packs. I mean, absolutely everything you can think of. And of course, I mean, what's a convention without pop vinyls? You got the Spirit Halloween Killer Clowns animatronic right there, the shorty one, which I think they don't even make anymore. I believe that was the one from last year. And then of course the Killer Clowns from Outer Space cotton candy gun, all in working order. Oh, the Killer Clowns from Outer Space. That's amazing.
Oh,
That's cool. Old antique dolls, and I'm sure it used to be actual toys, but then with their actual torso removed, actually makes them look extremely creepy. Oh my god, the hair missing.
There's a couple of strands.
Yeah, oh yeah. There's a few. It's holding together. It's still very frightening. I gotta get another shot of this. This is another one that's right here. Look at that. That paired with the baby head. Frightening. Nightmares. They got this taxidermied deer right here, doe, or however you want to say it, but just look at this. It's very fancy. Smoking their cigarette. That's too cool. Everything here is too cool. Got the Ghost Bunny right there. All kinds of taxidermied rabbits. Alice in Wonderland right there. Love that. Some like older toys and things over here. I actually used to have this when I was a kid. I believe it held your cup that you had, if I'm not mistaken. I can't exactly remember, but I remember having this specifically. Have like quite the assortment of animatronics over here. They're absolutely massive, as you can see around here. We're gonna take a look at every single one of them. Then they have this absolutely massive Grim Reaper right here. Pretty sure he was just moving. Look at all that smoke and stuff coming out of him there. That's insane. And then I guess this right here serves as the entrance, as you can go around and see all the animatronics. Look how much everything's moving. It's huge arms, I love that. And then you got the famous 12-foot skeletons right here. All of them, all together, just standing like a team. Just look at that. That was definitely the coolest. There's a lot going on. Oh, this thing's moving. Whoa. And then coming around the corner for those amazing 12-foot skeletons, they have all kinds of masks and things in here to pick from. Of course, gloves. A lot of stuff that you might not find at Spirit Halloween. Lots of like really cool masks. Right here, got Art the Clown, my absolute favorite. I would love to dress up as Art. That'd be incredible. As you can see, there was like more than enough to pick from if you're absolutely trying to find something that you want this year. This is quite the assortment. I mean, look at that. That one's very unique. It's like a shark. It's like a zombie shark. Look at this incredible animatronic. Oh my god, there's like so much movement. Even the eyes look so realistic too. They're all moving around and everything. Got some screens in there. Got like a frightening looking rat there. Look at him. Chattering his teeth. And then right here is like Top Hat Man. Not exactly what you want to call him. He's got those eyes. It looks so cool. Sort of like Halloween store. Oh my gosh. Got the killer clowns coming back here. That's incredible. It used to be what I believe was a Abercrombie and Finch, if I'm not mistaken. Alright, MonsterCon was cool. This is my first year actually coming, so I definitely recommend it. If you're into horror or anything just creepy in general, I definitely recommend it. But like the video if you like the video, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. But with that being said, have a good day.